In 1969, it was thought that the Oceanic Whitetip Shark was probably the most abundant large animal on the planet, over 100 pounds. Some of the best recorded documentation of the Oceanic Whitetip Shark historically can be witnessed in the documentary Kon-Tiki. This was shot in 1947 and won an Academy Award for the Best Documentary in 1951. In several scenes from the film, oceanic whitetips are persistent. The narrator describes them as a constant threat. In a theatrical remake of the film, the oceanics were replaced by digital representations of the white shark. Creative license aside, what was documented during the original 1947 Kon-Tiki expedition is simply no longer the case. Due to extreme fishing pressure, oceanic whitetip populations have been greatly reduced, as is the case with many other species of sharks. Some estimates show that more than 70%, even up to 99% of this population have been wiped off the face of the earth.